Halor Khmat Kawedei Bagajing Jelay Drugs, but Kumno Ban La Ban Telakam Yo New Jingdi Basnew, Nalor Ban Aji Mudru Halor Kajing Tau Yaki Village Defence Party, VDP, Hapoki Dorbar Snung, Nakalyang Katanat Social Welfare Kajella, Hapoka Jinglam Khmat Umentri Bari Kmi Yakani Katanat, Uba Paul Lingdo, Hakanyo Tarek Jelio Arja Arpusao, Kala Punlong Eka Program Yamirjimut, Halor Kanikamat, Kabala Punlong Hapoka State Convention Center. Hakani kasi lawan penishim benta da Shakil P. Ahmed, Additional Chief Secretary, Ushri Sampat Kumar, Principal Secretary ka Social Welfare Department, wa EW Ingti, Secretary ka Social Welfare Department, kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang, Director General of Police, nalor ka jingidon lang ki rangba nong ka Greater Shillong Area. Kani ka program ka long ru komisi benta ka Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission DREAM kabala pentray kam hau panai jeliu jong snam arja arpulai ka ba ka jingtmu ka long ban penlong ya ka jela Meghalaya kum ka drug free state ya ka ba ha kani kasngi nakalyang ki rangba snong nalor ki officer Sorkar kilayam mirjimot lang ka ba benya ha ka ba day bat kani ka mat. Habakran sikilat patay kubor hadir nga jingalang nakalyang uba polling do uloong baban bendu jat yaw new jingdi ubas new don kam ka jingatray lang na baro kilyang bat ongru bahaka ni ka kenti kalalong ka badon kam ban penki imbiang ya ka Village Defence Party namar baday ling ba ka jingirap kini anla ban te lakam yaw new jingdi ubas new Naduh Tynrai jong ka imlang sa lang. Uloong ru bagi pat baru kidi bandan benta banyarap haka ni ka pang.
The meeting was very fruitful, very productive and very positive. We tried to identify certain areas of convergence, which we have done successfully with the active support of various Dorbarshnongs. And today we had close to more than 60 Dorbarshnongs of Greater Shillong areas first. And this initiative will also be taken to other districts. But the beginning has been made today, where we have started with the Dorbars of Greater Shillong area, primarily because we'd like to start from the state capital, where there is high concentration of trafficking and drug abuse. So the first initiative that the various stakeholders have agreed upon is the reconstitution of the village defence parties, which have been active in combating crime, especially in the rural areas. But in the context of controlling drug menace and the spread of narcotics, today we have decided that the various Dorbarshnongs would prepare themselves to constitute these VDPs. To begin with, we have to start by revisiting the various rules that have last been framed in 2008. So it has been a long time gap, and we would certainly need to update those rules in view of the growing and changing challenges. So the other important, we have clearly taken the inputs from the Dorbars and indicated a timeline of 3 weeks to a month within which they will submit their various proposals for the amendment of the rules, so that once those amendments are agreed upon, the various Dorbarshnongs will start organizing the VDPs, which will assist the home police and also the government in combating drug menace at the locality grassroots level. Number two, we have also decided that copies of the latest laws and rules, like the PITS NDPS, will be circulated to these Dorbarshnongs, and we will then elicit their views and opinions and suggestions on improving those rules. The third was, we have also decided that the elected representatives, MLAs and MDCs of the entire state, beginning with this exercise which we started today, will be covered in the consultation process, because we would like the convergence mode to ensure the success of the DREAM project. So those were the fundamental major decisions taken.
So what kind of training will be given to these VDPs?
As I said, we will be receiving suggestions from the Dorbashnongs. We will then familiarize them with the basic amenities, facilities, and training that is required. We'll also familiarize them with the basic rules that govern the functioning of VDPs and also the laws of the land that govern the control and reduction of drugs and narcotics. Which is why we are revisiting those rules. We will ensure that these VDPs become the foot soldiers of the law enforcing agencies, and together they will assist us in identifying, especially in the hotspots, potential drug traffickers, and with their support we should be able to eradicate the menace from Meghalaya. That's the whole purpose of the meeting. The purpose of the meeting is for us to have enough manpower, starting from the locality level, to assist the police in trying to combat the menace of drugs. And that will only happen with the support of the community. I have been advocating a community-oriented approach, and today the participation of so many Dorbashnongs is a proof that they have faith in what we are trying to achieve, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome of the meeting.
To what extent has the implementation of the SPIT and DPS helped in the curbing or eliminate this drug?
You will be seeing results very soon, because now the cases of the repeat offenders have already gone from the Home Department and they are being forwarded to the advisory board. So this, I will update you once we get further information on the cases.
So during the course of discussion, what are the gaps, what are the discussion inputs given by the Dorbashnongs? If you can just state them, some notable ones.
See, the major area where we need to build is there is a trust deficit as far as the laws are concerned. They feel that the laws are too weak, or they are not supportive of our enforcement agencies. So, which is why we are circulating copies of the relevant laws to also solicit ideas and opinions from the various stakeholders.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.